Suarez take 2. Dorigo dribble the ball by Dorigo. Pingol take 2. Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Eman pass to Jacinto. Jacinto takes 3. Dorigo dribble the ball by Dorigo. Dorigo to Manyala. Oh, foul by Jacinto.
Bola eh.
Jacinto, third personal foul.
Hanggang ilang foul ba yan?
5.
May patras pa.
Pag na-foul out yan, hala na, talo na.
Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Eman dribble the ball. Pass to Jacinto. Jacinto drive by Jacinto. Who's foul?
Girl.
9 minutes.
Manyala.
Petra.
9 minutes 6 seconds.
9 minutes and 6 seconds. Babayaan mo dyan. Counted. Suarez, dribble the ball by Suarez. Pass to Riles. Riles right. Dorigo takes 2. Riles again. Pingo. Dorigo. Post foul. Foul by Moya.
8:48.
2 foul by Moya. One point by Dorigo. Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Pass to front.
English ah.
Dorigo dribble the ball by Dorigo. Manyala pass to Riles. Riles drive. Eman. Suarez. Pass to Riles. Riles takes 2. Oops, who's foul? Who's foul rep? Dorigo. Foul by Dorigo. Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Eman takes. Score is 24-23 in favor of Gray Team. Manyala. Dribble the ball by Manyala.
Kunin ko sa
Manyala pass to Riles.
Monday.
Riles dribble the ball by Riles.
Lahat ng video naka-upload sa ano, sa YouTube.
Riles drives. Passes. Suarez.
Pero, bibigyan ko
Pingol takes.
Iba kasi yung quality sa'yo.
Who's foul?
Kasi yung direct.
Mas maganda yung quality.
Jacinto.
Kailangan ko lang yung both para agad. Yung mga kinukuha ko lang yung point.
Ah, okay.
Pingol na bangod. Pingol, 1 point by Pingol. Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Scores 24-all. Pass to Prajes. Manyala. Dorigo dribble by the ball by Dorigo. Suarez takes Suarez. Pingol is looking for a teammate by Pingol. Manyalak drive by Manyalak. Manyalak. Rebound by Moya. Eman. Pass to Asinto. Asinto drive. Who's foul? Suarez.
6:41.
6 and 41.
Lager! Vlogger! Yung isang vlogger dito sa kabila.
Anong oras na? 6:41? 6 minutes and 41 seconds.
Score, 24.
Prades takes. Bondok. Bondok. Drive by Bondok. Bondok. Oops. Dorigo. Ooh. 2 points by Dorigo. Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Eman is looking for a teammate. Eman to Prades. 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 Dorigo. Foul by Dorigo. Ilang foul na si Dorigo?
Si Pingol yata.
Kala ko foul na kanina dun.
Foul kanina dun si Dorigo ah.
Oh, may foul siya kanina dun.
Dalawa na kay Gimo.
Second personal foul by Dorigo.
Score.
The score is 26-all. Dorigo. Bondok takes 3. JP. Oh, by Moya. Rebound by JP. Pass to Moya. Moya dribble the ball by Moya. Pass to Asinto. Asinto drive. Prades.
Pingol. Foul Pingol.
Is foul.
Pingol. Benji.
Foul by Pingol. Ilan na si Benji?
Tatlo.
Tatlo na. Third personal foul by Pingol. Eman. Pass to JP. JP takes. Oh! JP 2 points. Logistic JP boy.
JP lang pala ano eh.
Oh, steal by Eman. Eman dribble the ball by Eman. Moya, JP again by JP. Muntikan na naman. Bondok, dribble the ball by Bondok. Bondok drive. Dorigo, drive by Dorigo.
.509. 5 minutes, 9 seconds.
5 minutes and 9 seconds. Blue ball. Riles, ay Manyala takes. Prades. Riles. Oh, 2 points by Riles.
28-all.
The score is 28-all.
4:55.
4 and 25 seconds.
55.
Asinto. Pass to Eman. Eman takes 3. Foul by Riles. Foul.
Taas lang yung ping.
Landing shot. 4:36.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Kaya na landing shot kasi delikado yan pag natamaan.
Sub.
Sab ah?
Sino sub mo?
Ginawa.
Flores. Sub to Kalogbe.
So, Diba ba?
Last shot.
Dalawa.
One more.
Tatlo pala yun. Ay, sa labas yan.
The score is 30-28 in favor of Great Team. Riles dribble the ball by Riles. Riles takes.
3 points ba yan?
3 points.
Riles 3 points. 31-30 in favor of Blue Team. Flores, Jacinto takes 3. Eman to Flores. Eman, dribble the ball by Eman. Prades takes 3. Rebound by Bondok, dribble the ball by Bondok. Riles is looking for his teammates. Pass to Bondok take 3. Bondok 3 points. 34-30 in favor of Blue Team. Eman, Jacinto, dribble the ball by Jacinto. Jacinto drive. Pass to Moya.
Five. Anim ba yan? Anim no?
Doon daw bola.
Anim, 5.
Bola doon.
Hanggang 8 yan, PIBA. PIBA Cup.
5.
Ilan pa?
Tip na. Anim na rin.
Anim ba yan?
Jacinto, fifth personal foul.
Anim yata pag ano eh. Cup table. Pag championship, anim na. May tawad.
Manyala, dribble the ball by Manyala. Riles, dribble the ball by Riles. Pass to Pingol.
Kaya nang
Hindi kinaya.
pasabihin na niya siya.
Boy, balik dali boy.
Flores dribble the ball by Flores. Jeffrey Flores ng Quezon. To Jacinto takes 3. Bondok, dribble the ball by Bondok. Bondok is looking for a teammate by Bondok.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Dorigo. Manialak take 3. Oh, Bondok. 2 points by Bondok. The score is 36-30 in favor of Blue Team. Flores take 3. Bondok. Dribble the ball by Bondok.
150.
Pingol. Pass to Riles. Riles takes 3. Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Eman takes. Riles. Manyala. Dorigo takes. Ayan, 3 points. Dorigo 3 points. Eman pass to Eman. Moya solo. 2 points by Moya. 39-32 in favor of Blue Team.
1 minute 5 seconds.
1 minute and 5 seconds. Riles dribble the ball by Riles. Bondok takes. Riles. Oh, Bondok 2 points. Flores.
Sana lang.
Prades takes 3. Prades 3 points.
42 seconds.
42 seconds. Pleasure. Rice dribble the ball. Bondok 2 points.
28 seconds.
28 seconds. Asinto, drive by Asinto. Bondok. Ano? Stop. Ay. Oras.
13 seconds.
13 seconds. Asinto, 2 points by Asinto. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
43-37.
The score is 43-37 in favor of